is Mira from Malaya Pilates. If you're looking for some quick, short workout to get a strong abs, this is a good one for you. Some of the exercises I've translated from a classic reformer workout, so it won't be the normal classic mat exercises. So let's go on it. I want you to lie supine, lie on your back. Okay. Now, interlace the fingers behind your head, collapse your hands. So the first exercise we're going to do is taken from a footwork series from the reformer. So I wanted to take the legs up to the table position and then go ahead and breathe out and lift the chest up into a chest lift position. Flex the feet, keep the feet together, and then we extend out and then pull it in. So we go exhale, in breath, exhale, in breath. Try to get the shoulder blades off the floor. In breath. 3 more. Pulling the abs in. 2. And the last one. Come back in. Stay. Point your feet. Repeat. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale in. And again. In breath in. And elbows reaching away. 2 more. Last one. Coming in, next position, knees out, flex the feet, feet out in small V, and repeat, exhale, press, inhale in, and draw the abs in, inhale in, exhale, and 3 more, 2, 1 more, coming back, legs together, point feet, and release for a second here. Now, go ahead and lift the chest up again. This time, I want you to flex the feet, extend just the left leg out. Inhale, and again. And again, you can also extend the right leg as you extend the left, and fall. And fall. 2 more. Last one, we switch, and the right. And again, keep that chest up. You can extend the left leg if you like. And 2 more. 1 more. Come back in, point your feet, and come on down. Now let's add the obliques. All right, so we go ahead, extend the right leg, extend the left leg, and we're gonna twist to the right and come back down. And again, and return, and return, and 3. You can also extend the right leg if you like, and come back. 2 more. I did say 3 before, terrible counting. And come back down the other way. Extend the right, twist to left, and again, and return, and now you can extend the left leg if you like, and center, and twist, and come back, and twist, and come back. 2 more. Last one. Coming back down. All right, stretch your arms to the side to T position or palms down if you like, either position. Okay, let's go ahead and twist to your right as you inhale for the obliques. Extend the legs away, pull back to the middle and center. Over to the other side and extend, pull back, center, and return. And again to the right, knees together and extend, pull back and fall, and the left. Extend, pull back, and 1 more each side to the right, and extend, pull back, and the last one to the left, and extend, pull back, and return. Arms overhead onto the coordination. We exhale, we lift, stretch, open, close, drag the knees in, and return, and exhale. Drag the knees in and return. Exhale. Open, close, pull it in and return. 3 more. Open, close, pull it in and return. 2 more. I'm not straight on the mat. Ooh, that's better. And the last one. And let's go to the hundreds. And exhale, we press and we go 3, 4, 5, and in, and exhale, and inhale 4, 5, and exhale, and inhale 4, 5, three more sets, 2 more sets, last set. Hold, drag the knees in, arms up, and release. Lower one foot down, second one down. Stretch the legs up for a second, and I want you to just lift that lower back up, arch your back for a second, just to stretch your abs, and bring it down. Again, take your arms down by the side, leg up the tabletop, second leg up. All right, let's do some corkscrew here. So stretch the legs away. I'm gonna go to my right, twist, reach down, left, center, and to the left, exhale. If this is too challenging for you, you're welcome to do it with the bent knee here. All good, and return. All right, and I'm gonna straighten my legs, and come back, and again, right, left, and center, and left, down to the right. And let's go one more set, and right, down to the left. Ooh, hard work. And last one to the left, and down to the right. Okay, fold the knees, one foot down, second one down, stretch your legs away. Make sure you're straight on the mat. All right, let's take your arms overhead, ribs engaged down, and we take the arms up for the roll up, chest lift, and exhale, pull it up. Ooh, burning the abdominals. Right, into that sacrum, pulling in that center, and roll the spine back. Sacrum down, low back down, and the back comes down. Inhale, high lift in the chest. Exhale, pull in into that C curve. In breath. Exhale, roll it back. And let's take your arms overhead. And 2 more arms. Lift. Exhale, pull it in. And into that C curve. And roll it back. And return. Last one. Arms, head lift, chest lift. And we pull that center in. Brilliant. Lift that back, cross the leg. And coming onto a quadruped position here. All right. Lift that center up, straighten the leg into that front support position or your plank position, and we stay. Right knee comes in, inhale, and an exhale, and the left, and exhale, and the right, and exhale, and the left, and exhale, and 2 more sets, and left, and last set, and left, and stay whole in that nice front support plank position. And now I'm going to rotate to the screen. I'm going to take my left arm up, coming up into that side plank. And I'm going to stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Nice strong line. And over to the other side. And reaching up. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, and we stay. Now this time, point your right foot, lift it up, and then down, and up, and then down, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last, bring it down. Hold that center, other leg, point the foot, lift it up, and then down. Keep the pelvis stable, and then down. 3 more, and then down. 2 more, and then down, and the last. Okay, 1 more side plank. Rotate the body, reach the top arm up, 1 straight line, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Okay, over to the other side, please. Reach the arm, lift it up, stay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Now, bring the pelvis back. And then we're going to jump your feet between your hands. 3, 2, step. And stretch it out. Okay, and the last one for the back support. We press the feet down, heels down, lift that chest, neck is long, and then we hinge down. And again, 4 more, lift, and down. And 3, lift, and 2 more, lift, and down. Last one, lifting, and down. Well done. That's all we have for a good short abs workout. I hope you can join me in my other classes in this channel. See you later.